In this video, I will examine the core features of WordPress 4.0. As you can see, the dashboard looks similar to previous dashboards. There are no major changes. You can see WordPress 4.0 Benny official blog and some blog from feeds. First feature is enhancements to image uploading media. Select the library. As you can see, there are some features like this way in which you can change the way in which the images are displayed. You can select images, audio, video as per dates. Now, by default, there are no media attachments. Now we can upload some files. For that, select Add New. You can drag and drop anywhere to upload or select files from your computer to upload. I am selecting the file. I have 3 files here. First I am selecting this first file. Click Select Open. This file has been uploaded now. As you can see, a thumbnail here. Now the biggest change is if you select this thumbnail, you will view if you select the thumbnail, you will view a separate window for each attachments. Here you can see the bigger size of the full size of our thumbnail, of your picture, along with the file name, file type is PNG, uploaded, file size, dimension. Here you can see alt text is not compulsory, but it is good for SEO purposes. You can give a description here. I am giving like micro, max, bolt. The ALT text is not compulsory actually, but it is required for SEO purposes. You can also delete the file. There is no need to click any buttons. It will be automatically saved. The required edits will be automatically saved here. Now I will upload another file, Geoni P2 here. It will be uploaded here. It will take some time depending upon the size of the file. If you select, it will appear again in a new window. I believe that this is an important feature because in the earlier the images required a round trip to the server and it will take a lot of time. It took a lot of time for me as well. Yesterday I uploaded a file, image file, and I have to spend nearly 5 minutes to get the page loaded. Here it is get very quickly. This is an important feature in WordPress 4.0 Benny. You can now I will upload another file, Moto E. File will be uploaded depending upon the size. Again, if you click, you will select the full image. You can see the full image along with the different details. You can edit, you can delete, you can edit image. If you click the edit image option, you can see a lot of features here like crop, rotate counterclockwise, rotate clockwise. I have rotated clockwise, flip vertically. If you select this undo button, it will be undone. You can set original dimension here, aspect ratio. These are all for advanced users. By default, you need not have to worry about these things. Just upload it and insert it in image into the picture. These settings are for advanced users. These are the changes to the media gallery. The second improvement is that plugins section. Here if you set the install plugins page, you can see it will be the same like as previous versions. Hello Dolly is there. If you select this second button, if you want to install a new plugin, you select add new. Wow, and you can see a new page like this. Here you can see it's a list of important plugins. These are according to official sources. Each deck is called plugin card. So here you can, in this card you can see theme check. Here in this card you can see VP super catch, BB press here. But these are recommendations. You need not have to install each and everything, but these are all recommendations provided by the official directly from the WordPress server, depending upon the popularity. As you can see, the VP super catch has been downloaded a lot of times. Jetpack is there, BuddyPress, Tumblr importer. If you want to install a new plugin, you can just search for the plugin and you can install it by as usual. The biggest change is that you can view plugin card like this. Now I will load this same page again. Let's see if there is any difference. No, there is no difference. Same thing will be loaded. I prefer something different here, because the first time you will be able to see a lot of these plugin cards. If you again load it, it should be different. That's what I prefer. But according as of now, there are no such updates here. I hope the WordPress will integrate them in the upcoming versions. If you set these plugins are called featured, as you can see here. If you set popular, the list of popular plugins will be displayed. As I told you in the previous video, Arvixe is spam plugin. Contact form is there. You can install it, configure it, just plug it. You will have a ready-made contact form. Google sitemap is required. WordPress SEO by OS. This is a very important plugin. I recommend this plugin for your site. You forget about all-in-one SEO, platinum SEO, and other things. You install WordPress SEO by Yoast. It is a very great plugin. I am currently using this plugin. I migrated from platinum SEO. You can easily migrate platinum SEO from platinum SEO to Yoast WordPress SEO plugin. You just follow my previous article. All-in-one SEO pack is there. And I am not telling that all-in-one SEO pack is not good. It is also a good developed by developers, downloaded by lot of people. But I recommend WordPress SEO by Yoast. These are all popular plugins. If you select favorites, there are no plugins here. You can select popular. If you select this more details link, you will be able to see a new dialog like this. This is an important change, because previously it will be loaded in a fresh page, but here it is loaded in a small window. This is a core feature of WordPress 4.0. Everything will be loaded in a small dialog. Now I will examine the final improvement here, that is post here. If you WordPress has made some changes to the visual editor. You will see how what the changes. You set this add new again. It will be the same as previous. As you can see, there are no new changes here. Everything is same. Tags is there. Everything is same. Just enter something here. Now you copy something text. Now you copy several times. As I can see, if you continue to copy text, the text editor will be expanded accordingly. If you press enter, the text editor will be automatically expanded. So if you by default if you delete the content, it will regain to the original shape. If you typed content here, just copy it. As you can see, when I press enter and then copy it, the visual editor will be automatically increased. The size of visual editor will be automatically increased. This is the core feature of WordPress 4.0. In previous versions, this feature was not available, and I think there is a good feature. Finally, the language improvements I already discussed in the previous video. During installation process, you will be select languages. You select a language and then install it. If you are from France, if you are from Romania, you can select a specific language, and the WordPress will be installed in the specific language. So that is one of the major improvements in WordPress 4.0. These are all the same settings here. No new changes. Permalinks is there. Let's see if there are any new changes in permalinks. There are no new changes. Default day and date, month and date. I will discuss this later in the upcoming video. For now, you just believe that this is permalink settings and this is for SEO purposes. So in this video, I examined the 4 features of WordPress 4.0: media library, plugin improvements, visual editor improvements, and a language selection I already discussed in the previous video. Thank you very much.